welcome back to Khali Yoga Center. My name's Ian, and I'm working with Chris today, and we're talking about Sun Salutation A, Surya Namaskara A. And in some of the other videos that we have in our video library, we've explored the pose breakdowns of the individual poses within Sun Salutation A. So I recommend that you check those out for the form, the alignment, the action principles in the poses themselves. And what we're here to talk about today is the connection, the flow, the vinyasa we call it. And we'll discuss the pose transitions and also the connection of how your breath connects with the poses to create the natural expansion and contraction of the sun salutation. So let's talk through Sun Salutation A. And just simply, I'm going to say the poses, Chris is going to do the poses, so we get the order of the poses together so we can flow with that. So Chris is going to begin at the top of the mat. Tadasana. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High to low plank. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Look to the top of the mat and step or jump forward. Halfway lift, forward fold, Tadasana. Awesome, so that's the sequence of the poses, and then often in our classes we'll go right from Tadasana into the next forward fold, creating that flow of breath and movement together. So now we're going to talk through it, and Chris is going to do those same poses that we just did, and I'm going to call the inhale and the exhale so you can see that matching of breath and movement within the flow. So he'll start at the top of the mat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Excellent. That was nice. Yeah. So you can see there's this natural connection of breath and movement as the energy flows with the poses. So as he's contracting in on the exhale, then the inhale comes and his chest is opening, is expanding, and then you contract in with the breath out. You inhale, and then exhale as you come to the top of the mat. The inhale lengthens the spine, and then the exhale pulls in to fold. You gather the breath as you reach up, and you fold forward as the exhale comes. Extend with the breath in. Chaturanga, the natural expression, hugs in. And up dog, opening. Down dog, closing. Inhale, come to the top. Exhale. Expand the spine, and you squeeze in with the breath out. And you rise up, expanding, and fold forward, contracting. And this natural flow of breath and movement like awakens energy within the body, which is the essence of sun salutations. We're greeting the body's natural energetic flow and matching it with the expression of the poses that then creates a brighter and a more open expression. And now once you're comfortable with the sequence of the poses and the way the breath is working with the shapes, it becomes easier then to start wielding that natural rhythm and expansion and contraction to create either a speeding up or a slowing down. So Chris can take a faster inhale, exhale to come forward, lengthen, and bow down. Rise up with the inhale, fold forward, affecting this speeding up. Halfway lift, chaturanga, still with the same integrity. Inhale, down dog, exhale, just sped up. Rise up and come forward. Lengthen, bow down. Tadasana, big inhale, fold forward. Lengthen, shoot back, chaturanga. Up dog, down dog, and then you can also slow it down. Take a long inhale, step or jump forward. You calm down the energy. Inhale, full breath, bow down. Now rise up. You can be calm and powerful. Bow down. Lengthen. Find the very top of the inhale, and then exhale to the very bottom of chaturanga. Then inhale. You get a bigger expression. Down dog with a slower pace. Breathe in fully and breathe out. That's cool.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's neat.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for joining us at Khali Yoga Center and exploring Sun Salutation A with me and Chris today. And check out our other videos on the component poses within Sun Salutations and really this connection of breath and movement, the vinyasa that we create in Sun Salutations expands out to the whole practice.